Very good morning, all of you, respected judges and all teachers. So my game is shaping up. So the game, this is mainly for grade 3 and grade 4. So the game is shaping up, and it includes both organic and geometric shape. And the objective is like children should identify geometric and organic shapes both, and they should create their own original artworks. And how they're going to play, so there will be 8 groups of 4 students in each group, so it's a group game, so everybody will participate in a group. Each group will be shown a picture of both a geometric and organic shape, and with the picture I'll be giving them a name or a specific object to draw, so they cannot change that object. And within the time limit of 15 minutes they need to complete the drawing, each group. So they will require only pencil, eraser, oil pastels and sketch pens, nothing more. And the example is here. So if I give a square, they can draw a man, they can draw a lion, but that object I will give them. So if it's a cloud, I will give them a man. So now they have to combine it, and they have to imagine, and they have to draw how to draw a man with a cloud shape. So these are few examples I have given here, and that's it. Now I will just play the game so all of you can understand. So suppose this is a cloud shape. I have prepared a flashcard here. So this is a cloud shape, and all of you have to draw a man. So can all of you please take a pencil and a paper, so we will quickly play, so you can understand. So everybody, all of you, just I'll give only 2 minutes, so you can just draw a man. Okay, I completed it. Okay, then I'll move to the next shape, and I'll just show how it goes. So all of you can lift the paper. Show it to me, everybody. Okay, that's nice, ma'am. So anybody else? Aditi, ma'am. I just know a few teachers here. Okay, that's nice. Yes, I drew like this. So the thing is, I just drew a hair which is of cloud shape. The hair is of cloud shape. Okay.
Yes, wonderful.
So my objective for this like particular game is like, if a child looks at any particular object, it can be a window, it can be a door, it can be table, it can be anything. So they should focus on the observation skill. It's not only like if you're looking at a particular thing, it can be made only out of a square shape. It can be made out of many shape. So they should have their imagination. Just I made this thing. For example, it's 3. I'll show all the students. It's a circle, it's a triangle, uh, and it's a square. I hope all of you can see it. And I made owl. You can see 3 owls with same shapes, different shapes. One with square, one with triangle, one with a circle. And same goes for the bird. Okay. So you can make anything and everything out of different shapes. So it's all up to your imagination. So that's all for the game, and when it can be played online and it can be played both in class, and everybody should be engaged. So it's not that one group is playing and other group is sitting. So I'll be giving the topics and the shapes and the object with each and every group. So everybody will be engaged in the activity, and whoever comes out first, and they will be the winner. And if there is a tie, so I will give another shape with another object. So that's all. Thank you.